So first of all, a big hug to you. Yeah.
To you
So
too.
yeah. Okay. So I'm Chetna from Mumbai. Okay. I'm basically into educational field. I'm making, developing, and supplying teaching aids for toddlers to all the schools and everywhere. Like I'm into, like, basically. My passion is to make things easy and interesting for children to learn and have a lovely growing years. So that's my main passion that I do. So yes, I was into this since almost, I am into this field since almost 22 years. With the grace of God, I am blessed with a lovely family. My childhood was amazing. Okay, I'm blessed with a loving partner, caring partner who's a gem of a person, a big house, and everything in place. Okay, and yes, of course, there were, like, ups and downs and everything, like what everybody has. But then I was always able to figure out things. Okay, and it is because that's what I learned, that how was I able to do this. I could figure it out that yes, it was because of the things that you were talking. Okay, that yes, I was always a blank slate. For me, everything is new, everything is welcome. And I just, there are, like, sentences which I've always used. Okay, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए, अपना हुआ तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, because then something better is being planned. Okay, so that's how my life, went ahead and everything and all. Now in last lockdown, everything was stagnant still, but still my work was, amazing, because as I told you, I'm in developing teaching aids and everything. It continued, and it is like an opportunity. Okay, so which I really, took very good step, and it helped and everything. And now it was like, okay, सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, but what am I here for? What is the mission of me for being on this earth? And during that time, because of this, all these things, many things happened in the house, so everybody was, towards negativity and things like that, which also affected me as well. But then my husband was like, हाँ चलो ठीक है, देखेंगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा and all. And we were like, कुछ तो है. And he is also very spiritual and meditation thing and all, but due to some, health things and everything, he also was, laid back and chalo matlab carried away with the situation. Now in between we heard about this Brahma Muhurat. Okay, which always used to, do something कि ये ब्रह्म मुहूर्त कुछ तो है, हमें जानना है उसके बारे में. And I'm a huge fan of Akshay Kumar. Okay, and I've heard him saying that, he's never missed sunrise, and he often says that early rising is the best thing that you can do. And I've seen the results, everywhere. And I was thinking कि हाँ कुछ तो करना है, पर क्या करना है. And meanwhile, maybe the right time, the right day, when I was thinking with greater intensity, your thing popped up on Facebook. And it was like, okay, oh wow. And as you say, that yes, for higher good, best, right time, right person. So I take it as you, the right person on right time, because many, posts like this must be coming, but I never noticed. Okay, but maybe, it was decided that yes, you are the one. So yes, I clicked it and I joined it for 5 days, and the miracle started, 5 days. Yes, getting up early was not a task for me, because I'm used to, I can bend myself to any situation, I can mold myself anywhere. So that is not a difficulty at all. Then yes, as I told you, my main thing was to, join this, know the power of Brahma Murat. And how I can, since I knew that yes, the slate is blank, so it has to be a format, no. Yes, you can write anything, but you have to write ABC, you can't write BCAB or whatever, right? So that format I got to know from you. Okay, then yes, I joined your this Rise and Shine Club, and I remember all the dates and everything. Yes, I started on 24th of May, and on 1st of June I was, down with, the project, the mission that I am, wanting a kick for. Okay, so I started noting it down, and yes, it has, and basically you have put it down amazingly. I have to tell you, it is very, very, like, helpful, and very systematic approach. You've nailed it. You've nailed it. Like, I have to say this. You've nailed it. So
Thank you.
I put it this way, and yes, the group that you have made, the small groups, okay, it's like a cherry on a cake. Yes. So it's amazing. They are also, like, yes, we get to know that yes, there are so many like-minded people, like, who actually think like you. And and you actually, like, like when you all were making a room on first day, okay, first I was in another room, and somehow I got that thing that no, there is something that, like, I'm not in alignment or something, and that room automatically got discontinued, and I was given the other room. Okay.
Oh,
Yes. So
oh, here
every time
also
it happens.
there is synchronicity.
Yes, yes. So, like, every time it so happened that, like, we just said that yes, right thing, right time, right people, and it has to come in alignment. Just guide me. And it, like, it all came in place accordingly. And yes, I've got, like, the mission that I'm working for. For that, I've got people from that group, okay, who are also, like, I'm more comfortable because we have the same thinking and thought process and all. So it is, like, really doing very good.
Wow, you got your mission, you are saying,
Yes.
purpose of your life. Do you want to
Yes.
share about that?
Yes, yes. Like in your videos, when you talk about this metrics thing, that like, children, their mind is developed in that early childhood. I have done my special education course and everything, and I'm always with children. Okay, so this thing, like, yes, we have to, like, basically help parents, okay, to have a proper mindset, like, for children, because whatever, like, when even I do counseling, so when parents approach me and they tell me, "Arey, my child is very hyper, my child is not doing this," so first I make them realize, and I ask them, okay, you tell me about yourself first. Okay, so, like, that's what helps me, that okay, these are their expectations that they are, like, wanting their children to follow, and that is why, like, the entire like, situation is occurring. So that from that day, I just wanted to know and wanted to do something that it, first of all, like, parents has to understand that yes, we have to give good, like, things to children that will help them to grow better. Okay, so from your this thing, like, affirmations, okay, affirmations. So I thought that yes, I have to do something with the affirmations for children, which is implemented and inculcated into their mind from day one. Okay, so I thought of writing, like, stories. I thought of writing stories, okay, because every parent and every child, like, then I am basically, I was, like, my family and everybody, we are into, like, that okay, we want to have school for children where, like, it is different, and they are thought about, like, it has to be learning anything, anywhere, anytime, everything. Okay, it should be not about restricted things के नहीं हमें सन orange ही paint करना है, or no, something that they have immense capacity, so we want them to make maximum out of it. Okay, so yes, what are the basic affirmation that we can give them? So I just divided them into, like, different age group. So my first series that I am writing with for 1.5 to 3 years. Okay, that is affirmation stories which are associated with animals, which children can relate easily.
Yeah.
Okay, so my story is, like, I am beautiful, that is about peacock. Okay, so children can, like, get the information about all the animals and everything, because they love to know about them. Okay, so
Absolutely.
I am just trying to like, match with all the affirmation with all animals, like I am energetic with monkeys, like, then I am the king with lion. Okay, then I am courageous with tiger, like, like, I love to share, I like to care, so whichever I'm friendly. So with that, like, I'm making, like, different age group with affirmation stories, which first parents will read to child. So when parent is reading, it is also going into their mind, and they are also talking about it. Okay, so when it is coming out from their mouth, so it automatically there is some like feeling that they can have about it. And yes, when it is going to children, it will definitely somewhere कहीं कुछ तो उसका काम करेगा. So
Subconscious mind where
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, तो उनका जो एज ग्रुप में जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड हमें डेवलप करना है, उसके लिए जो पॉजिटिव थिंग्स हमें बनानी है, that I am focusing on. And yes, I'm telling you, you have like your approach, like how to do it, क्या करना है वो भी I came to know with your Rise and Shine program. कैसे करना है, that also I came to know with your systematic thing. And yes, how I have to continue. And for that, I'm continuing all your sessions. Okay, I'm doing story time and everything I'm doing because I'm sure every day there is to learn.
every day. Wow, such a good learner, a lifelong learner, Chetna. And
I want to continue.
you're such a positive person. Your thought level is so positive, so much of positive aura in you, and you're doing such amazing tasks for kids. I mean, at that stage, if you can take care of human beings at that stage early on,
Yes.
we have a bright future of our kids. Amazing. And you're
That
doing
was my
it for
mission.
kids and parents both. So amazing work. Include visualization also. You can do so much, but it's a good starting point. The affirmations that you are doing, it's a good starting point. And wish you
Your
all
suggestions
the
are welcome because also know you have children also, and better also, and your children are like in that phase right now. So I really welcome your suggestions for that as well. And once like I'm ready with one or two things fully, I will share it with you so that you can give more input in that.
Sure, definitely. Sounds so cool. So any other changes that you brought in yourself? Of course, you got your mission, your purpose is clear, and you're towards that. You are taking actionable steps every day, small actions you are taking. You've got benefit of mini group, and you've got people, good people, inspiring people around you that are helping you in this mission of yours. Anything personal level you found some change?
Yes, a tremendous change because uh, it's like wow. Now my husband says like we had good life, but now we have beautiful life.
He said, he said
Yes,
that.
yes, and he has told me to tell you also.
Wow, I think this is I tell everyone, you don't have to tell everyone, go out, see, I'm doing this course, see this change in me. Do you see this change? No. When they compliment on their own, seeing you, your energy, that means that this is worked on you.
Yes. No, he's told me because we were supposed to have this on Saturday or something. No, so I just asked him, you want me to tell her something? And he's like, yes, please tell her a big thank you from my side because the life is beautiful now. And please, like, let's have life like this only now forever. That is
What is it that you are doing? Why did he say that? Tell
he
me.
said it. Yes, yes. See, of course, like we are in a joint we were in a joint family, big family and everything. So sometimes like you lose your this thing. And yes, I have seen is um, appreciation is very important. Okay, so when like okay, we work together, like we are now like we have a lovely life now. Previously we couldn't put things together. Okay, कर रहे थे because like ours is also love marriage and like very happy and things like that. But सब लाइफ में मतलब एक स्टेग्नेशन सा हो गया था, और कहीं पे मतलब क्या है ना, मतलब हाँ ठीक है अभी कर रहे हैं ऐसा हो गया था. बट आफ्टर डूइंग दिस लाइक द जो मैं सिर्फ पहले बोलती थी बी द चेंज यू वांट टू सी, ओके, वो एक्चुअली जब मैंने खुद इम्प्लीमेंट किया ना, तो मुझे देखकर पूरे सब पॉजिटिव हो गए.
Okay, so one person's energy, the positivity is like spreading in the whole family.
Everywhere in my house, everywhere, like my relationship with my mother-in-law, everything is like it's superb. Yes, हाँ मतलब वो जो पहले था वो पूरी हिच निकल गई है. आई एम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट नाउ, आई एम मोर पॉजिटिव नाउ. ओके, जो मतलब वो जो डबल हो गया है ना, वो गुड टू ब्यूटीफुल वाला स्टेज आ रहा है. कम आई वांट यू टू मीट माय सन. ओके.
Okay, sure.
Rita. He is Keyur.
Hi.
Hi, Keyur.
Okay.
Hi.
You want to tell us something? What change have you seen in me after doing her course? Just tell
Yeah, she's changed completely, like 365.
360-degree. Wow. What do you do, Keyur?
I am into filmmaking, like mainly for corporates. So I do corporate launches and explainer videos and stuff like that, product videos and stuff like that for corporates, and into short films and all as well.
Oh, amazing. Awesome. Good field. You like it? What you're doing? You enjoy?
Yeah, I love it. Like I'm doing it because I love it, or else I wouldn't have done that.
You'll do really good.
Thank
And
you so much.
your mom has
You-
got a lot of good techniques. You
Yeah,
can
and thank you so
Chetan.
much for. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Yeah, you were saying something.
I was saying thank you so much for bringing this change in her. Like it's impacted in a very good way. Like in the entire family, everyone's very positive now, and all our teams are on their way because of this. And she's finally very positive and trying to bring change in everyone in the family.
Awesome. She is awesome, actually. She got that
That she
change.
is.
I
That
just
definitely. That
watched
she
the
is.
channel.
Yeah. No, even though I've not done the course, but I know most of it now because she keeps on telling me all day. So I'm like, I don't need to do it now because she's telling me everything about it. So yeah, thank you.
Awesome.
it.
Awesome. Thank you.
If my husband was around, even he would have told you the same. Okay. There is
Wow.
a big change. Like, he was the one who used to, sleep till late and all, but now he has started taking care of himself. He gets up early at 6 o'clock, does meditation, does yoga and everything. And he's also very positive. Now I want you to meet my daughter also, please. Yeah, even she has to tell you something.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Kanishka and I was also a part of your course.
Is it Tanishka?
Yeah, Kanishka.
Okay. So you completed 4 weeks?
I did the 5 days one.
Oh, you did the 5 days one. All right. So you also now wake up early and
Yes, I do.
on a mission.
Yes.
Awesome. Awesome. Good to meet you.
Same here. Really nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and of course, my son's friends and everybody, when they used to come home and they used to see, and they are like, auntie, you're just next level. Okay. They used to, they started telling me, like, you won't believe today is my birthday. Okay. And last night, all his friends were here to wish me. Like, what?
Today's your
Yeah,
birthday.
today is my birthday.
Birthday. Oh,
Thank
oh wonder this
you.
this had to happen today only. This
I told it is destined for the higher good.
Wow, God bless you.
Yeah.
Abundance, happiness, peace,
you.
prosperity, everything.
I really appreciate the flow of it. I really appreciate the flow of it. Yes. And
So they all came yesterday to celebrate, is what you are saying.
yes. And all the energy, all 18, 19, and 20, 21 years, 22 years were here. So you can imagine the energy level, And yes, one of them have,
It's a big thing that your kids are doing this much for you, and they are 19, 20. They have their own life
Yes,
with their
yes.
friends, but they are doing it. It's like awesome.
it's
Next
I'm-
level.
I'm truly blessed. I am blessed. I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you, that your entire thing is like, I'm telling you, and I would recommend anybody, who comes across, no, I would definitely recommend, because sometimes, no, I think it is required. It is required to, I have written to you also that it is being said that Guru bina gyan nahi. Kitna bhi pata hai, agar kahin pe ek system mil jati hai, so it is even more better. It really makes sense. I'm telling you, that you have literally, मुझे पता है मैजिक वैन है, मुझे पता है चिराग का जिम पड़ा है, लेकिन उसे यूज कैसे करना है.
How part is where we
Yes.
get started. Awesome, Chetna. So any favorite technique of yours that you learned in these so many days? What is your favorite technique so far?
I'm practicing Ho'oponopono. Yes.
Ho'oponopono.
I
Okay.
finished Zero Limits.
Okay.
I
You read it?
I read it. I didn't read it. I heard the audio.
Audio. Okay.
Yeah, I heard the audio, and yes, it continued for around 25 days, because the day, and I, of course, I have made my own notes and everything, but yes, it did make a huge impact on me, and it is helping. It is
So, do you have any last line for people, like how Can they believe in law of attraction, thought level, how when you change and things change around? Any last words for people to take away from this conversation?
Yes, don't hesitate to be the change you want to see. Take a step, just like that uh, inspiration that comes to you. Take an action and go for it. Go for it. Like it is the first line that you say. It's yes or no. Okay, so if you get that inspiration, just press the button yes and go for it. That's
Like
my
follow your GPS.
yes, yes, yes. Follow your GPS. Yes. So
All
just
right.
go for it. That is what is my thing.
All right. Thank you so much, Chetna. And enjoy your day today. It's your birthday. Have fun.
Yes, now with it, every day is my birthday. I always tell the day, yes, morning when I wake up, it's a birthday, right?
Absolutely. Actually, a new
Yes,
life to create something amazing for
of
you
course.
every
So
day.
every day is a birthday. Yes, yes.
Amazing. Thank you, Chetna, so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you too.
God bless. Bye bye.
Bye.